Okay, so here's my first trade recap for the YouTube channel, and you could see. Okay, let me just tell you the trade idea and how this trade went. I was the price opened. This is our first nine. This is our first 5 minute candle. The price went lower, and I was expecting it to go more lower and take support from this level and move up. That is what happened. I was just waiting for the confirmations to enter. Let's check the order flow. Even if you just see the price action, you can get a good entry. Lower wicks, lower wicks, lower wicks, lower wicks. So this low wick was very significant, and of course, it made a very high probability trade. If you see, if you see this is a order flow footprint chart, and you could see delta coming in. Delta is just sellers. Just let's skip delta for now. Let's go to order flow imbalance chart. On the left side of the chart, you could see sellers, aggressive sellers hitting the bids, and on the right side on the candle, you could see aggressive buyers hitting the ask. Okay, so on this candle chart, we can see that price is moving lower, lower, lower. And as soon as the price comes near the support zone, more and more aggressive sellers try to come in, right? More and more aggressive sellers try to come in. But at the final candle of this 940, where the most sellers came in, they didn't get a follow through. They were trying to get in, didn't get a follow through. Price went up, shooted up, and this was my confirmation for the entry. I entered in. My location was perfectly fine of the support level, and I went in without hesitating because now I know the price is above them. If the price goes below them, my trade is invalidated. I hit my SL. The trade is over, and I can't do anything about it because I don't know which seller is coming next, which buyer is coming next. But I could see that what is happening is now that the buyers are being trapped here. You could see this 1.6k, 1.4k, right? As soon as these buyers are being trapped here, sellers, sorry, as the price moves up with this aggressive buying, little aggressive buying, right? As soon as the price goes up below, above them a lot, they will be in pain. And I know that as I enter here, once I get in pain, they will also liquidate, and which will shoot the price more up. And my original target was around 165. I was targeting the volume. You will see that I don't know why it was my target now. Okay, so this is the swing high on 1 minute chart. If you will just see the 1 minute chart, this was my one of the planned targets, right? I'll just show you 1 minute chart. Just a second. Yeah, yes, here. See, as a 5 minute, it is a first minute, 1 minute candle, which is almost noise, most probably the noise. And see, here's the price not going above this line. So level. So therefore, I assumed it to be resistance, good resistance level, and I exited my trade just around this level at 1054. There were many times the trade went down, but I was never in a drawdown except for this 945 candle. All in all, a good trade, making me a 3.9%, almost 4% returns with a good risk to reward ratio of 4.23%. You don't get that. Like that is such a good risk to reward ratio. You could go wrong 3 times and go right 1 time, you will still be green. Even with 25% win to ratio, you could make money with this win with this risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let's meet you tomorrow in tomorrow's trade recap. Let's meet in next trade recap, I would say. Okay.